Jeff and Susie Sigler have been such a great instrumental part of the community of Lawrence. They have not only have the locally owned pharmacy, but they care so much about all the consumers, all the people that they serve, as well as the community.
First became involved with Cottonwood back in the mid-1990s when we have a publishing company that publishes a study aid for pharmacy students, and we sell it all across the United States. And they were helping us put the books together, collate them, and then we were storing them there and would ship out from Cottonwood.
It's a locally owned pharmacy where Jeff knew a lot of the consumers, had served him before at his previous, when he was a manager of another pharmacy, and he cares, he's dedicated to helping the consumer, whether it be finding the lowest copays for him, whether it be if a consumer cannot pay because there's no insurance, he'll put that, lower the cost to the consumer to where they can be able to afford a medication that a doctor has ordered.
We work with Phyllis and Pat in the clinic, and they are just unbelievable to work with. You can really see how much they care about the consumers and about their health, and how they go out of their way to help them, and it makes us want to go out of our way to help them because they're right there and doing such a great job with the health of consumers.
About 1,400 meds are administered on a daily basis, some of those being, or most of them being PO meds and the rest being topicals, creams, lotions, whatever. But you have to have a pharmacy who is very competent to fill our med boxes correctly, to make sure that refills are done in a timely manner so our consumers receive the medications that the doctors order.
Susie comes every week to pick up the med boxes the consumers watch for. We have some of our more independent consumers that if they see Susie coming and they haven't gotten their med box over, they're going to run over here with it to make sure it goes out. So we see them in and out, and the consumers recognize them and know who they are.
We love to help sponsor, Cottonwood fundraisers, mainly because of what we've already said, how important they are to the community. We want to make sure that that continues, but they're such fun events too. It's hard not to want to sponsor them. I think Cottonwood is just a fabulous organization for the community. You can see how much the staff cares about the consumers, and just to give the consumers an opportunity to be a part of the community and add value to the community, I think it's huge. And you see, or I see their confidence, and I see how happy they are at Cottonwood. And I've known some individuals that have had some developmental disabilities that haven't had that opportunity. And I just think they're a lot more confident, a lot more happy with Cottonwood. 30 or 40 years ago, pre-Cottonwood, where would they have been? They would have been in some facility that they didn't get to interact with others. So I think that's another element that just makes Cottonwood so special.
We'll call Jeff and say, there's something going on. Wondering if we can't get an order. Well, could you get that order for us? Jeff will always do it for us. And I think it shows that the people that he hires are also have that sharing, caring attitude that goes across the board that Susie and Jeff have instilled in those people. So, good staff.
Thanks to Jeff and his excellent support staff, the people that we serve and the people that support them have truly a superior pharmacy partner in the community.